Welcome to another episode of After Hours. Acha guys, our guest for today is someone who started very recently in the industry. She debuted in Yaqeen Ka Safar and the rest is history. She's had a fantastic career thus far. So let's talk to her about it. Please help me welcome Nawal Saeed.
Thank you. Hello.
How are you?
Very well.
Come on in.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Nawal, you are absolutely beautiful and I love what you're wearing.
Thank you
It's so
so
stunning.
much.
You look like वो जो हमारी जो heroine वाली look होती है ना, मासूम.
The nice girl.
Right, the nice girl. You got the nice girl look going on.
Thank
You
you.
are a nice girl.
Thank
You
you.
started your career in 2017.
Yeah.
How do you feel like your career has evolved a lot since then? How do you feel about it?
Yes, I think so. I didn't get to struggle a lot, what people call it. I didn't have to work really hard for it or go for auditions every time. I was always offered new things. So I think I've been very lucky. God has been very kind.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Yeah, because I hear stories and people tell me that, you know, we had to do a lot.
I hear a lot of stories. इस show पे कई actors आते हैं और मैं shock रह जाती हूँ कि उन्होंने कितनी मेहनत की. And they really deserve, you know, everybody deserves where they are. But फिर मैं सोचती हूँ, अच्छा आपने इतनी मेहनत की, माशाल्लाह, 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 and they've come a long way.
Yeah.
But you've been blessed, माशाल्लाह
Yes,
से. And I'm sure once you get the role, उसमें बड़ी मेहनत तो लगती है.
Of course, of course.
And you know, शुरू में ऑफ कोर्स एक होता है कि आपको अगर एक हैंड मिल जाए जो आपको थोड़ा गाइड कर ले, आपको ऑफर्स दे दे, लेकिन उसके बाद फिर आपकी एक्टिंग पे डिपेंड करता
Yes,
है.
absolutely.
You sustained yourself. What was your experience like in Yaqeen Ka Safar? That was your debut.
Yes, it was.
तो
It
बहुत
was
छोटी होंगी उसमें.
बहुत छोटी थी. I used to go with books to set with books in my hand as
अच्छा.
my O levels
अच्छा.
at that time. लेकिन बहुत अच्छा experience. I think it's more about the kind of people you work with because मेरे साथ बहुत ही है कि you know I get energy from people, so I want to work with people who I feel comfortable with.
Yes.
So I think they were very nice to me for somebody who was new.
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Sajal, they were very
They're nice people.
Yeah.
So that's good. Who directed Yaqeen Ka Safar?
Shahzad Kashmiri.
शहजाद भाई का था. Oh, he's wonderful. He's fantastic. कभी कोई criticism face किया आपने किसी भी रोल के लिए
किसी रोल के लिए
या किसी ड्रामे के लिए?
हाँ, ये it happened. I was doing a play and then you know people thought that she looks too you know made up for the character. They thought I had a lot of
I've been through that. It's okay.
Yeah, she had a lot of makeup on and she's too.
So when you get criticism for whatever reason, how do you deal with it? What's your?
It used to affect me, but now I like healthy criticism. But if you're being not nice about it, it does get to me. I mean,
of course,
don't criticize on things that I can't change.
Yes, नहीं वो तो हमारे ट्रोल जिंदाबाद. अपनी हमारी ना अवाम मीम्स बनाने में अच्छी है और बहुत अच्छी है माशाल्लाह से. मतलब अगर दुनिया में कहीं भी मीम्स की जंग हो तो वो तो हम ही जीतेंगे. उतनी माशाल्लाह ट्रोलिंग पे भी फिर आगे. And it obviously gets to someone. So you started your career working with Sajal, who's phenomenal, and Ahad, of course, who is too.
Yeah.
And so it started at a peak of like top tier actors. Is there anyone now, and you've worked with great actors since then, you know, it hasn't gone down in any capacity. Is there anybody you really want to work with now as a co-star?
I always say this. I really, really wish to work with Sania Saeed.
Sania Saeed?
I adore her. I think she's amazing. And I also like her because she has this love for animals.
Acha, unka hai?
She posts videos of dogs and cats and how you need to be kind towards animals.
Do that a lot.
You
I didn't
do?
know Sania. That's all I do. But I didn't know that Sania ji was so
she does. I think she goes to ACF as well.
Ifat does that. And I think Uzma Hassan is very Anushet. एक दो हैं जो. आप हैं animal lover?
जी. And now that I have a dog.
कौन सा कुत्ता है?
It's a Chow Chow. It's a brown.
Chow Chow लिया हुआ आपने?
हाँ, मैं भी आपको picture दिखाती हूँ. मैं अभी घर से निकल रही थी तो yeah, the sad face. तो please don't leave.
अच्छा, mind come on set sometimes.
Yeah.
मेरे दो आ जाते हैं और इधर एक अभी last हमने interview किया. आप लोगों में से कोई था last time जो मेरे आगे थे और वो साथ बैठ जाते हैं. And this you would love them. आज मैं उन्हें नहीं लाई.
आज लाना था.
I didn't realize. अच्छा, so that's the Sania Saeed हो गई. कोई male co-star अगर आपको heroes की आपकी पसंद में से कौन है जो आपको लगे कि this is someone cool?
मैंने जाहिद के साथ काम किया and I think I can work with him again. Because
Zahid is lovely.
Zahid is very nice.
Zahid हमारे शो पे आए और हम like गोस्ट और भूत और इस तरह की बातें करने लग गए, पहले एक लाइट फटी, फिर दूसरी लाइट फटी, फिर वहाँ आग लग गई। जैसे ही हम बात करें आग लग जा सकते।
Oh my God.
तो I think Zahid is fantastic and I would love to work with him, but
Not this.
I'm a bit scared, I gotta say.
I'm scared too,
It'll
but
be
I'm
fun.
glad this didn't happen with me.
I'm really glad. I'm going to take a question from the audience. हाँ जी, किसी के पास सवाल है कोई? हाँ जी, आपका सवाल।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसी हैं आप?
वालेकुम सलाम।
अगर नवाज सईद एक डिश होती तो कौन सी होती और क्यों?
डिश होती।
आज तो मुझे आप वो ईद का वो नहीं होता जर्दा, लाइक इसमें किशमिश मीठा सा मशरकी, मुझे तो आज आप वो लग गई या सेवियां।
हाँ, could be.
Today you look like सेवियां और खीर, no you look like खीर with the
मैं
silver.
खीर होती हूँ, right?
हम बात कर रहे थे क्रिटिसाइज होने की, तो आपने जाने जहां में कैरेक्टर किया जिसमें लोगों ने कहा कि आप थोड़ी डन अप थी। मेरे साथ ये गैर में हुआ कि इसके बाल क्यों बने हुए हैं। भाई वो मेरी कॉल नहीं थी, लेकिन हाँ बाल क्यों बने बाल क्यों बने हुए
नहीं बनने चाहिए। That's what they.
I guess जब किसी की अम्मी फौत होती है तो शायद
Okay.
That was a little bit of a mess up.
Okay.
But how did you deal with that criticism?
That was also my director's call. He said
Okay.
that you have to look a certain way so the guy is attracted towards you. So they thought that कि भाई ये गरीब लड़की है तो ये मतलब ये कोई सेंस नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता. But I mean I don't mind people saying anything to me as long as I mean choose your words.
Choose your words. तमीज़ से
wisely.
बात करें.
आप अगर बिल्कुल ही मतलब अगले हो जाएंगे जैसे I mean it used to get to me.
शुरू में तो it gets to everyone.
Yeah.
We're human. So it happens.
So-
Okay, well, enough with the negativity. Did you always want to be an actress?
I like forms of art, painting or
Painting,
singing
हाँ.
or music I liked.
गाना गा लेती हैं?
गाना अब नहीं गाती, सीखना शुरू किया था लेकिन उस तरह नहीं हो सका.
अच्छा.
My father sings.
Yes, he does. Who is your father? Tell us, Nawaz.
My father is a graduate. He's a graduate from Napa in music.
अच्छा.
Plays the piano.
तो क्या प्रोफेशनल सिंगर है?
नहीं उन्होंने बस सीखा है.
अच्छा, वैसे ही सीखते
हाँ,
हैं.
सीखा था.
Plays the piano.
Yeah, when he was working, he used to go to Napa also. वहाँ पे वो सीखते थे.
अच्छा.
म्यूजिक सीखते थे, गाना सीखते
माशाल्लाह,
थे. तो
माशाल्लाह.
हमारे घर में हमेशा हो रहा होता था.
Okay.
म्यूजिक, पियानो बज रहा है या
अच्छा.
हारमोनियम
कुछ
की आवाज.
सीखा है?
मैंने गिटार स्टार्ट किया था लेकिन वो भी मैं उस
अच्छा, आप मेरी तरह शुरू की चीज छोड़ दी. थोड़ा ADHD होता ना कि शुरू में बहुत शौक है.
And I also think I can't float in two boats. If I'm doing
Yeah.
acting, मुझसे दूसरी तरफ मुझसे I can't
हो
multitask.
सकता है अगर हमारी स्केड्यूल्स इजाजत दें.
Yeah.
हमारा काम इस तरह का है, एक्टिंग इज फुल टाइम, ट्रिपल टाइम जॉब. जैसे कोई इंसान 3 शिफ्ट्स करे तो हमारी एक शिफ्ट बनती है.
Absolutely.
And it just takes away everything. अब you've been in this industry since 2017.
Yeah.
तब से लेके अब तक कितने ड्रामे कर लिए होंगे आपने?
I think I've done 15-16 तो कर ही लिए होंगे.
15. So it's overwhelming ना.
Yeah,
मतलब कितनी
yeah.
बर्थडेज मिस की, कितनी शादियां मिस की,
बर्थडेज ने मिस की,
कितने लंचेस मिस किए,
लंचेस, शादियां बहुत मिस
शादी,
की,
exactly.
दावतें बहुत मिस की और हाँ ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिस की हैं. बर्थडेज ऑफ कोर्स नहीं मिस की, वो साल में एक दिन आता है, उसमें भी अगर आप काउंट करें.
मैं मिस करती थी जब मैं
I've been on set, but after
Backup के बाद.
after
Who are
backup.
your